So if you're like me and routinely get that sweet tooth craving for some yummy pastry or just something sweet that just hits the spot, you're in luck. As in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal favorite spots to grab a sweet treat in Burlington. So let's check them out. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a local realtor and this is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Burlington and the surrounding areas. And in today's video, after living in Burlington for over 20 plus years, I've had a few sweet treats in my day. And in today's video, I thought I would share my top 10 local spots that you'll only find in Burlington to grab a nice treat to get that sweet tooth craving fixed. So let's kick off the list with the first one on this list here, which is Sunshine Donuts. As Sunshine Donuts is one of those iconic local businesses that happens to be in Burlington, right around Burlington Beach. And this is fantastic as not only can you get a fresh cup of joe as well as an amazing donuts, and I've had a few donuts in my day. In my opinion, these are some of the best donuts and rank up on the list. I would even say their peach fritter that they have in the summertime is probably the best donut I've had in my life, but they have a wide variety of different donuts depending on the season as they only use local and fresh produce, so you routinely get new donuts to try. So if you're in the downtown area and looking for a sweet treat, would highly recommend going to check out Sunshine Donuts. And then just a little bit down Lakeshores Road, you'll find one of my family's favorite spots to go grab ice cream, and that's RC's Ice Cream, as we used to go here routinely a bunch when I was a kid to get a wide variety of different options and then stroll down Lakeshore as well as Spencer Smith Park and Burlington Pier. And not only do they have a wide variety of different ice cream options, my personal favorite is either Tiger Tail or chocolate and peanut butter ice cream on a waffle cone, but they also have a unique 50s diner feel inside. And then a next spot I routinely find myself back in when I'm in downtown Burlington is LOLA's Chocolate Bar and Sweet House. And this is located in Burlington's downtown Village Square, offering you a wide variety of different cookies, macaroons, pies, muffins, cupcakes, and chocolate. So no matter what type of sweet tooth craving you're having, you can definitely get it satisfied here. And not only that, but you can enjoy their amazing patio that truly gives you that European vibes with the red brick as well as a red phone booth right there. And then not to mention, they have some of the best iced teas and lemonades in downtown Burlington. So while Lola's does have a variety of options, if you are on a dietary restrictions, you may be a little bit hindered. And that's why this next place is one of Burlington's iconic bake shops, and that's Kelly's Bake Shop. As overall, you can find a wide variety of different yummy, delicious desserts that fit all different types of dietary restrictions, from vegan to vegetarian to gluten-free to dairy-free, and much, much more. And here you can find a wide variety of different cupcakes, cookies, brownies, more donuts, cinnamon buns, you name it, they probably have it. Then the next spot on this list is another ice cream spot in downtown Burlington, and that's La Creamerie da Creamerie. And this was first established in 2018 as a family business, and they feed your guilty pleasures by combining ice cream with Belgium chocolate. So they take that soft serve ice cream and dip it into one of their 18 Belgium chocolate flavors and then add toppings. Not to mention, this is one of the more Instagrammable desserts you'll find in Burlington, but it looks as good as it tastes. And then not to mention, on top of that, they have some amazing milkshakes. I personally am a massive fan of their milkshakes and could not recommend them enough. And then the next sweet treat spot I'd recommend you go check out while in Burlington is EASTWAY Bake Shop. Now this is an absolute classic spot for myself, as I used to go to Nelson High School. This is in the plaza that we routinely go. So I could tell you, I've visited this time more time than I care to admit. And the reason why that is not only do they have fresh baked goods that are amazing, but they're at a great price point as well. As not only will you find everything from just your classic breads and loaves, but you'll also find their scones, their macaroons, their cookies, their brownies, all to be up to par to what your grandma used to make. And I promise you, you will not be disappointed when going here to go grab your sweet tooth craving. So while Eastways is a classic spot for me, a new spot that I recently found and have to spread the word on is Christie's Gourmet, as this is a family-run chocolate shop with all their chocolates created in small batches to maintain their artisanal quality. So this is a perfect spot not only just to treat yourself, but to find some perfect gifts regardless of the occasion. And then not to mention, you can actually go to one of their chocolatier classes run by Bernie to learn a bit more about the chocolate process. And then instead, if you're not looking to do chocolate, but looking for those classic baked goods like that baked apple pie or that strawberry rhubarb or that blueberry or even pumpkin pie for that matter, how could we forget that? The next spot I'd recommend you go check out is Spring Ridge Farms, as this is located in rural Burlington, and it's mainly known for the great activities it offers families, from pumpkin picking to corn mazes to tractor rides. But don't sleep on their amazing baked goods, as they use all fresh grown produce that they make themselves, and in my opinion you can definitely taste the difference, as these farmhouse recipes are from Grandma Hughes's legendary bakery, and her recipes, some more than 75 years old, are the backbone to the bakery in Spring Ridge Farms. So if you're out at Spring Ridge Farms enjoying the outdoors, whether that's pumpkin picking or just going to get apples in one of the local orchards, would I highly recommend stopping by here to pick up one of their local fresh baked pastries. Now, while I've tried to keep the majority of this list to only local spots you'll find in Burlington, this next spot, while it's not just only found in Burlington, is too good to be left off, and that is Holy Shakes. And these are the holy grail of milkshakes, and even if you just scroll through their Instagram page, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, as every single one of their options absolutely looks to die for. And then if you're looking for a special occasion where everyone can get their own unique flavors for, let's say, a party, the next place I'd recommend you go check out is LA Cupcake Boutique in North Burlington, as this is located just off of Dundas and has been serving some amazing cupcakes since 2012. But they're best known for their cupcakes. However, they also make some delicious pastries. So if you're in the area picking up some cupcakes for an event, highly recommend you treat yourself by rewarding it with a few macaroons. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And then the next spot you need to check out is another donut spot, and that is Duck Donuts. And this is actually the newest spot in Burlington, as Duck Donuts just recently came to Canada as I'm recording this now. And I recently, just last week, tried it out, and it was absolutely amazing, as these are cake-based donuts that are made when you order them, and then you can either choose from one of their wide variety of selection donuts. I think if you tried one donut a day, you'd probably be there for a couple of months. But two, you can also create customized donuts right in front of you like the Subway style. So if you are interested in learning more about what other things there are to do in Burlington, the next video I recommend you go check out are my top things to do in Burlington. So you can check out that video right here. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Burlington's real estate market and want help from a real estate professional that knows it like the back of their hand, feel free to send me a message. But other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I hope you get that sweet tooth craved. All right, I'll see you guys off in the next video.